Hello guys, crypto trading vs stock trading. Stock and crypto century are two varied distribution types of investment, mutually live or liquid assets that belong in your speculative portfolios. That's where the simulation there are two unleashing different kinds of securities that shall be kept in separation portfolio of your portfolio. Stock or variation stake of public trade corporation. Each stake of stocks your shall be given your person take in the company's ownership is portfolio to the number of shares eligible by corporation. As investor can portfolio by selling the stock to other investor. The difference between what you send for the agent and which you get for yourself it's now is capital gain achieved from sale. The adventures of owning shares at central depression on the frame and equation stocks can also gain value by approving duration to their shareholders and exchange voting power. A crypto center is a digital asset that exchange solely on the internet. This means it doesn't have a pushable compression and only access as records in the online ledgers as trade corporation. This in contrast to the United States dollar, which has bought a push sell. You can enter and hold a dollar bill and a digital compression. You can have a dollar is not more than an entry at your bank account recreations this ownership crypto center indication unit referration to as a token matches stock identification unit is referration to as a share. Trading crypto is risky. Risk management is also a digital aspect of trading. Prior to entering a trade, it's important to know how much you are willing to lose on the crypto trade. If you go again, this can be based on a number of factors such as your trading capital. For example, personal needs which to only risk losing as this overplay trading capital and the total or pure trade. Trading in simply risky and version in it of easily is almost possible. The present only future market activity first cartoning and the day it's emerging make your own destiny using evaluation information and your own jungle it as well as to make sure you are properly educated. Alienation trading strategy can vastly differ from person to person based of preference, personally trading capital risk, tolerance, anti-trading comes which signally respiration can looking into trading mass evaluations the seven personal situation before deciding to trade. The quality of crypto trade is manipulation of projectly potentially as a follow deposit for the right innovative papers are present in cooperation with the actual possible manifest of the protocol in question is for mapping on the skate for the declaration block validation merchant computation on the use of alienation and the correctly to understand why the stability of the network is their role in security the network, mitigation dilation, and how power in distribution among the sketch salary. On-chain analysis. Given this all crypto-centric operation and blockchain potentially at basis level enough type of analysis is early on date from blockchains as emerges on-chain analysis. By looking at supply and trade translation frequency cost and the rate at which investors holding and selling a cryptocurrency analysis are enabled to make price fluidity and exchange obsessive about the stage of a cryptocurrency blockchain network. It is price dynamics in a verification of markets. On-chain data sole provider solution isn't into investor possible because analyses are able to highlight variation market macroeconomic events which actors of investor which are unity records on the blockchain. Analysts look for crypto trading signal patterns and anomalies in buying, selling, in holding behavior in currency market rally, so office regulation and other network original events is to make variation of potential future price motivation and the investor reaction to economic events like network upgrade, coin supply, Halloween, and acting taking place in trading finance markets. Most cryptocurrency networks do not have a central figure or company solutions. They braid in marketing around this touch log result in bridging this may last a constraint plate or direction. This is not to discuss the braiding and marking to the dice emerge from a protocol over time. In fact, a comparative analysis of the marketing efforts of core developers, corporation funds, and community members can provide a delightful overview of how great values accumulation flow professional to the maze. Will Bitcoin is written usually a pound launch with electronic money. Developers and mentally have not only discovered a use case for the Bitcoin blockchain, but have also designed a linear protocol to accommodate a wide range of application. Now to be confirmed which market potentially analysis the score actually is possible for a crypto assets. The network shows algorithm how its payment security obtainment constantly and slur fee imagine future like block time, the Maximus token supply, and the strawberry plan by delivery assign the protocol stack of a cryptocurrency network along with the monthly policy involved by the protocol a trade can duration such future support protein investment. Goodbye.